See when you got there?
I have a new microphone, a fluffy one, as Martin put it. It's a great big rat on the end of, I think they call it a dead kitten. One of those little Rode micros. The microphone I did have it's made a humming noise, and it's because of electrical interference from its little battery with the machine, with the camera, which is a bit daft really, because there's no need for sorry, I'm just polishing my little monitor. There's no need for a battery in a microphone, which is a bit weird, so I got one without a battery, and that solved my little humming noise. But anyway, so I'm down the plot, and yes, we've had 2 storms and a lot of wind, and as you can see, my polytunnel and greenhouses are still up. There's polytunnel, there's number 2 greenhouse in the middle, and there's number 1 greenhouse over the other side. I did, however, have to do some emergency woodwork over here, as you can see. Hopefully that'll stay. We're going to have some more wind, so hopefully that'll be fine. It didn't wreck. The winds did blow the door open and start smashing it around, but it didn't destroy it. It did, however, try and destroy this greenhouse. 3 panels came off in the wind. Each one was £9 from B&Q, polycarbonate panel, that stuff. And what I do is I screw it with a washer onto the metalwork, and put, as you can see, put a thick wire over the top, sledgehammer some metal in, and put the wire through it just to hold the thing down so it doesn't fly away. This netting also, this netting here also helps. Builder's netting, it's really useful stuff. And that's so it stayed up. I lost 3 panels, like I said, which was a shame because, oh no, look, there is some wind coming in. It's not completely airtight, as you can see. Bubble wrappers started to come clear. Anyway, it's lovely and warm in here, well, compared to outside anyway. So it's 15 degrees, as you can see, so that's just natural light and passive insulation. So I've been fairly busy so I planted some plants, and as you can see, loads of slug pellets. These are iron phosphate ones, which are break down in the soil, rather than just poisoning all wildlife.
There, 2.
Yeah.
There's 3.
You got a couple of clumps of it.
Right, so we got 3 lots at least of frog spawn. That's 2 there.
Yeah.
No, look, it's 1 there, 1 there, 3, 4, 5.
One more there, and there.
Manchester City 1, Chelsea 1 at half time. It's Brighton 0, Spurs 0,
4, 5.
Birmingham 0, Bristol City 0, both at half time.
Technically, see, it's arrived a week early. It's normally just.
Are you still banging on about your tadpoles?
Yeah, I can't believe I've been dumped by frogs.
You've been dumped, mate. You've been ditched. Binned off, they say.
Yeah.
Is it free?
Go on then, Mark, show us your onions.
Sorry.
Oh, is it on its way out? Oh, I was looking for a bit of wood that size. Yeah.
Probably won't.
Oh, you won't stay, will it?
Belongings of a missing 22-year-old woman were found. Emily Hope.
Oh, they're doing all right, aren't they? Right, now I thought, because, yeah, I thought I'd be able to catch up. I don't think I can. Oh, they're looking, yeah, they're looking nice stems, aren't they?
Some of these are quite weak, Tom. keep going with them.
So are those ones at the front bigger because you put them in more compost, or are they the best ones you've mollycoddled?
I just moved them. I just potted them up because the roots were coming out the bottom, so I don't want the roots to start binding into the mat below. Yeah. So I just decided to move them on. So
it's nice and warm in here. What's the temperature? Oh yeah, that's not bad, is it?
It's about, what's that? 17 degrees here. So it's not too bad, is it?
So you confident?
No. I'm confident. I'm confident I've got something to go to show so far, but no, that's about it. That's about the level of the confidence, Tom.
Mine are small. Well, I might be right. I've got 7. Right. I might be down. 5 of them aren't looking all that happy. I might be down to 2. And those are the 2 I left indoors.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
So these have been apart from the germination. These have been here. They've been not mollycoddled. They've been get on it, get out there and get on with it. I come up with the dog.
The competition's hotting up. Mark's onion's looking really, really good. It's going to be a struggle to come back from this. Hold on, Martin's shouting. Let's go and see what he's shouting about.
I don't get that at all. Why? I got 2 ponds. One is for wildlife and one's for goldfish. They've all gone in with the goldfish, but the goldfish will end up eating them.
It's where they're comfortable, I suppose. Unless you.
But there was 2 just behind him.
Oh, he's not focusing now, is he? Right. There he is.
There's 2 over there up mating. See them? By the oyster shells.
Yeah, I can see them. They're locked together in a seductive embrace.
I'm completely baffled.
There's 3 of them in there, isn't there?
Yeah. I saw a picture once that somebody posted on somewhere where it looked like a frog with 3 heads. When actually it's not. What it is, because you've got one frog and they push their feet inside.
So they're just waiting for it to push out the eggs, I suppose, aren't they?
That is 3 together there. Do you want to have a closer look?
Yeah, come on in. Now, Martin, how would you like if that was you?
Well, there you are.
Oh.
There's 3 together, look, fighting over each other. Look. Have you got that?
Yeah, I got that.
You got that.
They're still not letting go, are they?
There, look. Off he comes. Another one down the bottom. Yeah. It will eventually draw out, won't it?
I thought. But it's. I mean, to me, that's really odd.
I said to you, didn't I?
I'm back home now, and they've laid down about 1 inch of compost, homemade compost, and then planted. These are some seedlings I had overwintered. The coriander is since about late December, so you can get a really early crop if you cover with plastic. Which is what I've done, but you're going to have to put down slug pellets because they won't get away quick enough to outrun the slugs. Either that will be here every night picking the slugs off. It's 5:10, the end of I think the 3rd week of I think it's the 22nd or the 23rd of February. and things are moving along now. There's more light. 5:10 a month and a half ago it would have been dark by now, so or getting very dark. So we're things are moving along nicely. So we got the French tarragon's exploded, coriander is doing really well, and the leeks. There's some patches appearing in the modules, and that's because I'm planting them out like I did, like I showed you a minute ago. And so we've got some leeks and onions. So things are moving along really nicely now. It's getting quite exciting. We've got some celery, some parsley. We've got some ornamentals as well over there. So yeah. So we're heading for spring really rather rapidly. Oh, I do want to show you a couple of things indoor. So this, so I've got two heated propagators here, and there's one in the middle of that over there, the plastic bit, and a cat meowing at me. Say hello to the camera. So yes, a lot of people talk a lot about, so these have got these heated propagators have got little lights on the top of them, and as the plants have expanded I've brought another one out. This one's got a bigger light on it. They're just IKEA lights, and people do say, oh, you know, the IKEA lights don't do a very good job because of the wrong spectrum and all that sort of stuff. As you can see, we're the third week of February, and look at the size of my peppers there. The ones on the outside were on the inside. I think they took advantage of the light by being slap bang underneath them. So I've moved them over to give these smaller ones a chance. So, oh yeah, we saw earlier on Mark's onions, championship onions. And look, we've got 3 leaves on there, and 3 leaves on that one. But those are the only 2 good ones out of 20. I've got another 5 that are really suffering badly, but those are the 2 ones that are doing well enough. I'm hoping to keep them alive for August, when we're going to show them. Not show them. We'll weigh them at the on the plot. To show you my, as you can see, that's a pepper, that's a ricotta chili. It makes a fine pot plant, as you can see. And hasn't lost any of its leaves. It's doing really well. It's much hardier than the other chilies. It won't take even a whiff of a frost though. Anyway, so that's my ricotta. I just wanted to show you how well it's doing. It's not fading as we go to the end of winter. So that's the end of my little video. I shall see you on the next one. Cheers for watching. Ta-da.